Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Some of you know what this is at a glance. Others will not have any idea what this is even after I tell you. What I have here is a CNC router about 30 inches by I think it's 30 some odd inches by about 15 or 20 something. I can't remember. I'm going to have to double check that. But it's definitely big enough to be doing some mining rig frames, which is exactly what I want to do with it. Also, I'm thinking about woodworking projects and sign making. So this is a really, really nice tool in addition to our Homestead. And it can be running off the grid. It can be running? It can be run off the grid on solar power. I do have a box of cables and accessories, what I got with it. I got this for very low price, secondhand, and when I saw it, I believe it was a miracle that I got it, because there was, I think he said, I can't remember the number he said, there was a lot of people wanted it, and I happened to be first. So it comes with, I'm sorry, my knee is still a little bit stiff. It comes with the router. Sorry, camera. Comes with the router, which you can put any small handheld trim router in its place. And the guy that had it had extended the size of it so he could do bigger projects. And it comes with the controller and a power supply. And you can use open source software, which you can find on the internet. Oh, my door is going to shut. Hold on. It's not too dark. So you can use open source software. Anyway, that is going in my shop. I have to get a place made up for it, and that's going to go in my shop, and I'm going to start running it. And that is a very, very exciting addition to my tools and equipment for my shop. So that's it for that. Now you know what a CNC router is, and basically I didn't actually clarify it too much today. It will carve into wood and metal any pattern and design you like in 3 dimensions, so you can have depth to it. That's what it does. Anyway, that's it, guys. Brief little video, neat little find, and new addition to the Off-Grid Homestead. Talk to you all later.